Hey folks, welcome back to Keeping Up with Rocketlane. My name is Rahul, and in this video we're going to learn about 3 of our top updates from May. Propel 24, our new revenue recognition models, and the launch of our much awaited automations ebook. Let's explore them in more detail. We're going to start off with a quick recap of Propel 24, the world's premier onboarding and PS conference. In May, we had our first ever in-person Propel event. It took place in San Francisco and it turned out to be a huge success. Attendees got to meet the who's who of customer onboarding and professional services, with Mehta and Donna headlining the event. Incredible ideas were exchanged, and we even got to celebrate a few innovative leaders and companies at the Golden Comet Awards. For those who couldn't join us in person, our 2-day virtual event had professionals tuning in from all across the world. From delivering smooth onboarding experiences to how PS leaders can adopt AI, we covered a wide breadth of topics. Now, if you missed any of this, or if you're dealing with retroactive FOMO, don't worry about it. We got all of our sessions recorded, both in person and virtual, and they're now available to stream for free on Rocketlane TV. Go check it out. Hey Siri, what is retroactive FOMO?
It's an unnecessarily complicated way of saying regret. The presenter could have just said, if you regret not attending Propel, you can catch up on all the sessions on Rocketlane TV instead of using retroactive FOMO. But he's just a pretentious son of a...
Yeah, I think we got it, thanks. Next up, let's take a moment to talk about what's new in our product. Last month, we launched 2 new revenue recognition models for fixed fee projects. First one is a milestone-based model, where you can recognize revenue as you hit key project milestones. Imagine you're running a fixed fee project with 4 different milestones. You might decide that each milestone represents 25% of value delivered to the customer. And as you complete each of them, you can recognize that percentage of revenue. This makes it super straightforward for your team to keep track of progress and revenue at the same time. The second model is manual, in case you have a unique or a more complex revenue recognition process. In this case, you can manually specify the percentage of revenue recognized at any given time based on your methodology. This flexibility ensures that even the most complex revenue scenarios are covered. Whether you prefer the structured approach of milestone-based revenue recognition, or if you like the customization that comes with the manual model, Rocketlane's got you covered. You know, there was a time when I used to get recognition for all the revenue that I brought in. Okay, I don't get that kind of recognition anymore. Why? Because I'm unemployed now. Well, what does that have to do with this feature update? Nothing, bro. I was just sharing a fact with you. But I'm sorry to say this, but nobody cares. That's so rude. I'm the guy who makes all your videos more fun to watch, and this is how you treat me? You're right. For our final update, we have the launch of our new ebook called 32 Things to Automate in Your Professional Services Business. This book is your ultimate guide to automating your way to project success, right from project creation to delivery. It offers tips on improving efficiency, keeping projects on track, and implementing various automations to streamline a whole host of processes. From kickoff to execution to monitoring to communication with stakeholders to project governance, CSAT, all the way to successful completion. It was painstakingly put together by our marketing team, and we think you should definitely check it out. If you're looking for the link, it's in the description. Why should I trust automation? Because machines don't need lunch breaks or coffee hours or sleep. They're like super employees, you know what I'm saying? Whoa, that's an anti-humanist sentiment that can get you cancelled, you know? Not really, it's an anti-you sentiment. I trust automations more than I trust you. That's actually what my boss said when he fired me from my previous job. And I don't think he was wrong either. That concludes this month's edition of Keeping Up with Rocketlane. We hope you enjoyed this video. Do follow us on our socials if you're not already. This is me, Rahul, signing off, and I'll see you soon with the next one.